Hello everybody, today we are in Follina and behind of me there is the Abbey of Santa Maria in Follina, which is a very important landmark to visit. Now we are going to discover its secrets and all the culture that is hiding inside of it. Now let's go and follow me. Now we are going to visit the Abbey while talking about his history.
Hi Alessandro.
Hi Aki.
Hi.
Hi Sergio. Would you like to come with me to visit the Abbey?
Okay, let's go then.
So, come on.
The abbey was built between 1305 and 1335 on a previous Benedictine building of the 12th century. The current basilica has got the typical Latin cross plant with the front facing west and the back facing east, according the canons of the Cistercian architecture.
Before the building of the abbey, the Cistercian monks had already built this beautiful cloister, perfectly preserved. Look at the columns. They create a perfect effect that are perfectly preserved themselves. The building was completed in the 1268 as shown on the stone inscription that leads to the church.
The ages of the greatest glory were in the 13th and 14th century, in which the inhabited monastery took a Roman look, and that made the monastery an important architecture example in all the province of Treviso.
In 1338, the Cistercian monks were expelled by the government of the Venetian Republic, and a commendam was established. And in 1364, Pietro Leone, Bishop of Ceneda, consecrated the church.
In the 16th century, Livio Podacataro, a priest of Follina, has built a little cloister called Chiostrino dell'Abate on the southeast side of the monastery. It has got pointed arcs which are supported by stone columns.
In 1771, after a short stay of Camaldolese monks in this building, part of the monastery and particularly part of the cloister were sold and walled up to obtain housing. But in 1915, after the arrival of the servants of Mary, their prior, Brother Anacleto Milani, bought back all this building and restored to its past splendor.
The The front facade of the church is Romanesque, with Gothic influences. It has a rose windows flanked by 2 pilasters and long windows. Now we are going to move inside the abbey to talk about the important works of art that we can discover. Now we are going to move inside.